So we have this site, and in the site we have home, contact us, about us, services, and we want to create a footer that appears on every page. So go back to dashboard, templates, add new. From here choose footer, give it a name. I will name mine main footer global. Now create template. We don't need any pre-made footers, so we'll close that too. Now let's go back to design. So this is our design. We have logo, nav menu, heading, social links, and another heading. So let's copy the color of this footer. Then go back to our Elementor, choose plus, flexbox, direction column. Now give it the background color, paste it. Now let's go to layout, change the content width to full width. Let's remove the padding, we don't need that. Now let's go back to our design, and the first thing to do is to add a logo. So let's go back to Elementor, let's search for image. Let's drag it here. I have already uploaded my logo. If you haven't, go and upload it. Now let's give it a padding from the top and the bottom. Top should be 30 and the bottom should be 50. That seems correct. Now we have to create this divider, so let's copy its color and go back to Elementor, search for divider, drag it one more time, drag and drop right here. Now let's give it the color. Now let's remove the extra space. That seems to be correct. So let's go back to our design, and the next thing is navigation menu. So let's check the font and size, popping 16, okay. Now let's search for WordPress menu. Let's drag it. Okay, let's put it on top. Top here. Let's give it center, and now let's rearrange it to under the divider. Now let's change the font. Poppings, size should be 16, weight should be 400, and uppercase. Now let's change the color to white. Pointer width should be 0, horizontal 0, vertical 0, space between should be 50. No, let's change it to 25. Yeah, that's better. Let's go back to our design. Next thing is a hover effect. When the user hovers over one of the menu elements, the color should change to purple. Yeah, that's correct. Now let's make it a bit bolder. The next thing is this follow us heading. It should be poppings 10, but I think it should be a bit bigger in Elementor. So let's search for the heading and let's paste it here and paste it here. Let's make it center, poppings font. Font size should be 13.33. The color should be white, and it should be uppercase. Now let's give it a bit space from the top. And now we have to create these social media links with icons. Let's copy this color from here. Let's go back to Elementor and search for social links, social icons, sorry. Now I have already uploaded my icons to here. If you already don't, then you can upload your custom icons through here. So and I won't paste in the right links at the moment but you can do it if you want to. So let's change the color, and everything else seems to be okay. So next thing is this heading here, copyright, and I think that should be 13.33. That's great. Let's duplicate this. Let's drag it down here. Let's paste our copyright text, and let's give it a bit of space at the top. I think let's make it. It should be good. So now let's make this spacing a bit better. Let's give it a bit more space from the bottom. 5 is better. Now let's see what it looks like in tablet. Oh, it's toggle. We don't want it to be toggled. Yeah, let's duplicate it. Let's make this hide on tablet, hide on mobile. Let's hide this one on desktop, and then let's make the layout vertical and not remove mobile drop down, none. Now let's check the mobile version. Yep, everything seems to be great. Now let's choose where we want to display this entire site, save and close, and that should be it. Let's check this footer. Let's go to our front page, and there you have it. Footer has appeared in contact us, about us, and services.